Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker, then verify with a voltage tester. This prevents shocks. Once done, position a stable ladder and lay a drop cloth to catch debris. Make sure you wear gloves to protect hands from sharp trim and insulation dust. Now remove the trim ring or lens, twist, pull, or unclip depending on style, so you can access the lamp and housing. You're beginning the mechanical steps that let you follow safely into the ceiling cavity. You remove the bulb, then undo the connector or press the release tabs on push-in wires. Label any colored conductors. Next, support the fixture can with one hand while you unscrew mounting screws or pinch the spring clips. This prevents the can from dropping into the ceiling. Once loosened, you pull the housing down far enough to inspect the junction box. If the box is attached, unfasten it. If the housing is attached to joists, detach the bracket or nails carefully. You now extract the can fully cap live wires with wire nuts and stuff them safely back into the junction box. Secure the box or install a new remodel box for a blank-off plate. Once nailed up, cut a patch to fit, apply drywall tape, and skim 2 coats of joint compound. Sand between coats for a smooth finish. After priming and painting, inspect insulation and clearance so heat won't build up. If the power trips or a light flickers, recheck wire nuts and connections first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.